Before we launched the new Automation Mindset podcast last year, we really wondered, how far would a podcast about enterprise IT really go? And I can tell you, after 2 seasons, 32 amazing guests, and 120,000 listeners, we had an amazing run, and we're definitely not done yet.
My goal is to empower our sales teams, our marketing teams, our client-facing teams with these types of tools, because that gives them the ability to go out and do what they do best, right? Which is solve our customer problems and make sure they're understanding our customers' needs, and let the technologists do all the hard work in the background, but give them a tool that they can actually use to make their lives easier and go home at 5 o'clock.
So our view of the world is that automation will change drastically. It will go away from this originally very hardware-centric, ladder logic, one step after the other, process-driven, to a compute software-defined automation. So we want to get our customers work at the speed of software and be data-driven. And that is, if you like, the real revolution that will happen, because that might change everything.
I would advise anyone that hasn't yet embraced or engaged in this type of a transformation to spend a lot of time engaging the people and making sure they understand what's in it for them in executing this, along with, finding that transformational project inside the company that will really drive value, that it's visible as a value delivery.
If I walk into a team and I cannot tell who's in which role, I can't tell who the product manager is, I can't tell who the tech lead is, I can't tell who the business process ownership is, that's a good team, because that then has pulled together all these ingredients we need to be able to learn quickly. The beauty comes from focusing everyone on the customer.
In season 3, we'll tackle really tough questions that IT leaders like yourselves are facing today. Of course, business processes, but then also how do I organize the teams and blurring team member lines around these processes? How about change management and culture? Really, really important. And of course, more about generative AI. And then also we'll talk about the brand new agentic workflows that everybody is talking about right now. I'm Markus Zirn, Chief Strategy Officer here at Workato and member of the founding team. And I'd like to invite every single one of you to join me on my journey to learn from the brightest minds in IT today. Please subscribe to our weekly episodes, and you can do that wherever you like to get your podcasts.